I think I'm going to be broke by the end of the month if I keep shopping like this. Okay guys, got another unboxing here. This is again for the coffee lovers, coffee geeks out there. This is my new coffee grinder. So we're just going to grab a knife here and quickly cut this bad boy open. So this is, there it is, look at this, the Baratza Virtuoso Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Burr coffee grinders is what you want to go with from what I learned these past few days about trying to brew a good cup of coffee in the home. Some more packing penises, or should I say packing peni. Let's see what else we got in here. I ordered some more filters for my AeroPress. Any free coffee? Nothing yet. Not even a refrigerator magnet. Anyways, back to the coffee grinder. Now, these Burr coffee grinders are a lot better than these little compact ones here that you can buy for $20. This just has a straight blade spinning around, and from what I learned online and through several other baristas, is that it does not give an even grind. This pretty much just chops it up like some magic bullet, right? And that's not what you want. You want a nice, even ground coffee for your brew at home, right? And this was, from what I saw, perfect reviews, perfect entry-level grinder. Retails for about between $120 and $140. Depends where you find it. But let's take a look at the box and see what's inside. See what it's all about. So, we have the instruction manual, which surely I'll have to go through for sure. And let's see here. Let's see. Oh, it looks like we got a little cleaner here. Wire brush of some sorts to scrub and clean. Look how sweet that is. Very heavy. Very heavy. I mean, this thing is the real deal. You got a gearbox in here. You got metal grinders here. So there you go. That's what it looks like. You have 40 grind settings. I know for some of you that's like, what do you need all that for? But you know what? For entry level, and it's only 40. Who knows how much the higher end grinders can do. So that's it right there. It looks like this is the hopper where you put the beans. You select your grind settings by twisting the hopper here, and there's 40 settings, and it's from 0 to 40. I guess 0 is very fine espresso, and then all the way to 40 is your French press. And somewhere in between is a fine, medium, fine grind, whatever. So in here, I guess in here is where you collect your grind. You got another accessory here. Oh, this is the knob. I believe it goes, yes it does, it goes on the side. Who needs an instruction manual? There you go. Now one feature is this push button here that you can just put your, if you're making espresso, put your little, I don't know what that thing is called, but you hop it under here and then you push the button and it'll grind it right into the little cup there. Again, this is the catch your beat, catch your grind. And that's it right there. We're going to have to try it out. We're going to have to go through the instruction book, see how to clean this bad boy. And I got to tell you, I'm really excited to use this. You know, baristas have said that when you get your bean freshly roasted, you have to use it within a few weeks, and after you grind it, you got to use it within a couple days. It's pretty much a science, at least from the impression that the way they explain it. A really big science to a good cup of coffee, but I can't wait to try this out and see how much it improves my my coffees in the morning and throughout the day. Guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was a bit of help. If you're looking for an entry-level grinder, this is something to think about because of the price and quality but we'll see how it goes when we put it when we use it and make a cup of coffee, and then I'll get back to you on that one to help you decide on which coffee grinder is good for you. But one thing I can say for sure before we go, do not use this. I own this to grind flax seeds. So if you want omega-3s and good fiber in your diet, buy one of these and grind your flax seeds up. But if you want a good cup of coffee, start by getting a good grinder. Guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.